Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the obvious essentials: a fresh battery and the correct key fob model. Open the fob with a small screwdriver and inspect contacts for corrosion. Clean gently if needed. Check battery voltage with a multimeter. Replace if below 3.0 V. Once done, reassemble and test the remote range from 3.5 meters. If the vehicle ignores the signal, proceed to resynchronization steps. This often resolves communication issues without deeper disassembly. You now perform the synchronized programming routine for your car. Typically insert the key, cycle ignition, press the fob button per the manual sequence, and wait for lock confirmation. If reprogramming fails, access the receiver module and inspect connectors and antenna wiring for damage or loose pins. Repair or replace as required. You may also open the fob to check the circuit board for crack traces and reflow any suspicious solder joints. Once repaired, repeat the programming to confirm. You finish by thoroughly testing every function: locks, trunk release, panic, and remote start if present from various distances and angles. Make sure doors and hood switches are clean and the alarm ECU has no stored faults. Clear codes if necessary and retest. If the remote intermittently works, consider interference, a failing receiver, or a rolling code mismatch that requires dealer-level reprogramming. One troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good working fob before replacing major parts to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.